Look at the fucking state of this, would you? Hardly see the floor. Chip pan's getting full. I should give it a clean, shouldn't I? I was going to wait till next weekend. But Bathurst is on, the great Australian motor race. Well, it used to be, before they let in all the other foreign cars again. When it was just Holden and Ford, it was great. When you had drivers like Russell Ingall, Mark Scaife, Craig Lowndes, you'd start drinking beer at 7 o'clock in the morning and watch it all day. So I think I'll do something else. We've got some welding to do.